Hi friends, this is Jerry from Knarr Analytics, and today I want to share with you something unique about how you can use Knarr to analyze data in real time with your team members using multiplayer collaboration. At first glance, multiplayer can seem a bit chaotic, and you may be wondering, when would I really use this feature? I don't blame you, but it can be extremely powerful when you have multiple team members who need to see and interact with data at the same time, such as when you're stuck on a problem and need to grab help from a teammate. Or if you're walking your boss through an analysis that she wants to slice and dice real time. Ever had to say, nope, you clicked the wrong filter, go back. Okay, clear all filters, now click country. No, country, not county, you click county. Ever been there? Another great use case is to help walk junior analysts through navigating data and solving a problem, real time, so they can control the session with you there as a guide. In this video, you can see we have 4 people in the same workspace. Spiros and I are taking notes while Katie and Erica are creating visualizations and making selections that we're talking through on a call. This is a powerful way to brainstorm multiple avenues to explore offline, so once we're off the call, we can branch our own analyses and parallelize our efforts. There are a ton of use cases for multiplayer collaboration that will help you and your team get to insights faster. Go to knarr.io and sign up for free to check it out with your team today.